Hello everyone. So today we'll be checking or we'll be understanding what is a stateful set. So stateful set in Kubernetes is used whenever we have a stateful application, meaning suppose we want to install any container or any pod which wants to store the data onto the cluster, we use stateful set. But basically for stateful applications. And deployment is only for stateless application where we don't need to store any data. Let's see a quick example. API version is apps v1. We have a metadata. We are trying to spin up an Nginx stateful set with 3 replicas, and then we'll be using a volume where it will store the entire data. So there's a concept called as persistent volume claim. So what I'm saying, please create a 5 GB of this space into my cluster so that I can claim it into this pod, and then I'm creating another service called as Nginx service on port number 80 so that I can access that service which will ultimately access the pod. So this is the beauty of stateful set, and PV and PVC are the important concept that I want to show. So this is my cluster. Let me quickly apply this stateful set example. The moment I hit apply, it will go ahead and create, it will start creating 3 pods. And let me show you the get persistent volume. It will get a persistent volume onto this single node cluster as 5 GB, and it will be a read-write mode onto this namespace, and this would be my claim. So my PVC is the persistent volume claim. This is the my claim that is being used for this stateful set, and you can see that it was for 5 GB, right? So let's see whether the container is up. Yeah, the container is up and it has a three pods running. Let me do a quickly port forward of this. Let me see the service also. Get service. Yeah, there's a service running on this port forward Nginx service. So I'm porting the local port of 1 to the port number 80. Yeah, it's already. So I can see the Nginx is running in a stateful set manner. Let me do the port forward of pod also. Right? So even with this also I can see the same result, right? Because I'm doing this time port forward using pod. So that was the basic idea about stateful set, storing the information onto the persistent volume. Thank you.